13 Crucial Phrases to Learn in Your Second Language. It's a good idea to know a few fundamental phrases if you wish to start conversing. With that basis in place, it will be easier to begin speaking the language in the first place. Here are 13 conversational phrases to get you started. 13 Crucial Phrases to Learn in Your Second Language. 1. Hello. Learning these many variations of the welcomes has helped me communicate with everyone from neighbors and shop owners to family members. It's a good idea to investigate the colloquial variants of words from the location you intend to visit while studying your target language. 2. My name is _. What's yours? So you've officially entered the conversation. It's a terrific moment to introduce yourself and learn theirs. Even if the rest of your speech isn't nearly as fluent, you'll know who you're talking to. 3. Thank you and please. Being nice is useful in any language. I feel that a great smile and good manners may compensate for even the worst accent. So, even if you're at a loss for words, you'll still leave the other person thinking about how great you are. 4. I am not fluent in your language. Someone approached me during my first week in Zurich and asked if I could assist them in finding something. They spoke swiftly, and they were about 2 words in before I could tell them I didn't know German very well. I eventually got enough of what they were saying to help, but that would never have happened if I hadn't told them that I required them to talk slowly and clearly. 5. Please accept my apologies / excuse me. Life happens, and you will occasionally make a mistake. It's critical to understand how to apologize or excuse oneself when things don't go as planned. 6. Could you please repeat that? When I try to speak German, I frequently don't understand what others say the first time they say it. Every now and then, a "Kannst du das bitte wiederholen" is useful. 7. Farewell. It's only courteous to be able to say goodbye when it's time to depart. It would be strange to leave a room silently or to stop talking and turn around in the middle of a conversation. In any language, that is not the way to establish new acquaintances. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.